KS. Got 205 on the bar. Got a 10 down here.
Say your name again?
Mike Seabest.
There you
10 right there, 25 right there, and a 45 right there.
45-pound bar. Ready?
Fucking do it.
5, 3, 2, 1, go! Thirty seconds. Come on. 5. All right. 10 seconds. Come on, stick this. Let's fucking go.